Hey guys, gonna do a little unboxing of this GoPro Hero 8 Black. It's a Costco exclusive. We're just gonna open this up and see what it looks like. Yeah, check it out.
Okay.
See if you guys like it.
I open it.
Question is how to open it first.
We get it from Costco. And then look at in the back, like, yeah. And this is what it looks like in front. It includes the bag. Okay. Oh, it's hard. Oh! And it's broken. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, this is cute. And it has a name on this side, so it's legit.
Legit.
And then here it goes. You open it. It's just very handy. So on this side, there's this is what the USB where you put your micro SDs, and then here's the camera, and here's the USB connector. Let's see. So.
Oh wow, real handy. Okay.
So they have the manual complete. Let's put it in here. And it includes a small
micro
SD card.
Yep.
And you can put it in here.
Not bad.
Not bad. Yeah.
Let's see how many.
How many?
Ooh,
oh,
32 gigs.
Yeah. Can they see it?
Yeah.
I think you have to do it
that's
like,
okay.
like this. Like, you know, when you do their makeup tutorial.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever. There you go. And then it has this like a cushion thing. I don't know where is this for. I think it when you hold the GoPro has a, what do you call this, Mahal?
Oh, that's a, yeah.
Where you
to hook it up on the camera, the holster, yeah.
rest, and this is like the resting area. You can rest it. Then there's a USB port. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so nice. Oh, extra batteries. I'm not sure if that one. Extra batteries. This is what it looks like inside. There you go.
These are actually smaller than I thought. I guess every time I see them on online, they look bigger, but they're actually very small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaker over here. Here's the camera. There's like a tiny screen here. Then in the back you can see like, yeah. And then there's this where
they're really nice.
You attach the tripod. Then this is what it looks like on top. It's a Bluetooth mode?
No, that's your on-off button.
Oh,
there.
my bad. That's an on and off button.
That's how you turn it on, I think.
Yeah. The holder. Yep.
Yeah, it's not a tripod. I thought it would open up, but unfortunately it doesn't turn into a tripod. That might be something we have to purchase later.
That's an unboxing of my Hero 8 Black GoPro. Thank you.